Hello everyone and welcome to this session. So IIM Indore IPM is an excellent option for any 12th standard student who would like to make a career in the field of management. In fact, this 5-year program can be regarded as the best IPM program that we have in India. So in this session, I'm going to talk about the examination pattern, the test pattern of their entrance exam. But before I do that, let me first take a step back and let me give you a brief introduction about what this program of IPM is all about. So Integrated Program in Management, it was started by IIM Indore way back in 2011. So this particular program is almost 1.5 decades old. So it's a pretty old program and we are the ones who should get the credit for initiating or they are the pioneers in this field of 5-year integrated program in management in India. So this program, you can consider this as a BBA plus MBA kind of a program. This is the easiest way of getting into an IIM after finishing your 12th class. In fact, getting into IIM Indore after 12th class is far more easier than getting into IIM Indore after graduation. So if you are in your 11th or 12th class, or if you have a child who is in 11th or 12th class, or if you know anybody who is in 11th or 12th class who you believe has got an inclination towards making a career in the field of management, then surely recommend IPM program of IIMs, especially IIM Indore. So it's a 5-year program wherein the first 3 years students will study about various subjects. Some of them will be management related, but some of the subjects will be non-management related also. That is done because a child should have holistic development of one's personality and acumen. It's only from the 4th year onwards that full-fledged management subjects will be there, and the 4th and 5th year of IPM program would be equivalent to MBA program at IIMs. In fact, when you do an IPM program from IIM Indore, you would study 4th and 5th year along with the MBA students of IIM Indore. You will get the same subject input, same content, and more importantly, same placements opportunities. And IIM Indore offers unbelievably good placements. The average salary offered to IPM students in IIM Indore in 2024 was more than 25 lakhs per annum. Those are the kind of salaries you can expect at IIM Indore. In fact, the highest salary offered in IIM Indore in 2024 was 1 crore per annum. So this is a brief introduction of IPM program of IIM Indore. Now that we have understood it, let's move on and let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have mentioned 2024 criteria because for 2025, the formal notification, formal criteria has not yet been announced, but this is the last year's criteria. So the age requirement for writing the exam in this particular entrance exam is maximum 20 years of age if a person belongs to general category, OBC, NC or EWS category. 5 years relaxation would be there for SC, ST and differently abled applicants. The dates on the slide, you can ignore them because this is the last year's date. This year, obviously the dates will be different. 1 year will be added. This 2004 that is there on your screen will become 2005 most likely. But 20 years is the age limit for writing this exam. The qualifying exam, the student should have completed 12th class or the student should have been appearing for 12th class. So if you are in 12th standard and about to finish 12th standard also, you are eligible for this entrance exam, or you should have completed 12th standard. And obviously 10th standard should have been qualified. That is also the requirement in IIM Indore IPM eligibility criteria. Now the question is, what is the examination pattern? So friends, there are broadly speaking 2 subjects that gets tested, mathematics and English. Totally there are 3 sections in IPM 80 exam, and in this exam, in these 3 sections, 2 sections are for mathematics, 1 section is for English. So the first section is called quantitative ability multiple choice questions. What do I mean by multiple choice questions? 4 options are given, 1 is correct and 3 are wrong. So this is called MCQ. There are 30 questions which are multiple choice questions, and remember every section in IPMAT exam would have a time limit of 40 minutes. Because there is sectional time limit, you can actually understand that you are not writing one exam. You are actually going to write 3 separate exams because of sectional time limit. 40 minutes each will be the sectional time limit. Then comes the second section, which is also mathematics, but it is short answer type. Essay means short answer. What do I mean by short answer? Short answer doesn't mean you will write solution there. Short answer simply means options will not be provided. It's a non-multiple choice question where you will have to do the working on the rough sheet. Only the final value, only the correct answer needs to be marked on the system. Options will not be provided. 15 such questions will be given to you and 40 minutes is the time limit. Finally, we have VA, which is verbal ability, and 45 questions will be there from English and 40 minute sectional time limit will be there. These 45 questions will have various types of questions, some reading comprehension questions, some parajumble questions, some maybe sometimes related to vocabulary also. So it will be a mix of everything out there. 45 such questions will be there, and as always 40 minutes will be the sectional time limit. So all in all, you will have 90 questions in the exam that you need to complete in 2 hours of duration. Remember, for multiple choice questions, there is a provision of negative marking. So if you get it right, 4 marks are awarded, but if you do it wrong, -1 will be given. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, you should never put in blind guesses in this particular entrance exam. Because of negative marking, it can be counterproductive if you do that. Remember, there is no negative marking for short answer type questions where options are not provided to you. And the mathematics that is given in this exam is school level mathematics. They don't go beyond that level as such. Now, the examination date has been announced. So the examination for 2025, I'm just making one correction, this is 2025 IPMAT exam will be on 12th of May 2025. So 12th May 2025 is when your entrance exam will take place, and the date has been announced, and it has also been mentioned that the exam will be done in afternoon slot. So that information has been revealed, but rest of the details for this year has not yet been released, but the information is there that 12th May is the red letter day for anybody who is aspiring to join IIM Indore IPM program. Alright, now, so friends, before I conclude, do remember this. The exam pattern is such that students who have got good conceptual clarity, they are the ones who sail through this exam. So do ensure that your basics are clear. Do ensure that you practice hard for the entrance exam. Alright, with this we have come to the end of this session. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because we regularly keep uploading this kind of content on our channel. And do share it with every other aspirant who may be looking forward to joining IPM program at IIM Indore. Thank you everyone for watching this session.